So in episode 3 of the shed build, we're building the floor beams, the floor joists, and installing the OSB. The OSB, if you did everything correctly in accordance with the drawings, this OSB should land on there flat and square. I did not get my shed completely squared. As much as I tried, I still made a mistake. And I had to kind of have a little overhang, and I had to do some trimming, and I had to add some actual boards to the side of my floor joist to make sure that I had something to nail the OSB flooring into. But again, this is why having a pneumatic framing gun is so important, because this would have taken hours instead of 20 to 30 minutes to lay all this OSB. So that's it for this episode. In the next episode, we'll be actually putting up the walls. It starts getting exciting as the shed takes form. So subscribe to our channel if you want a set of these plans for yourself to build this at home. Click down below on that link. There'll be a page where I can direct you to a free copy of these shed plans. Hope to see you around.